What is up, guys? David here from 3 Point Slow Gang, and on this episode I'm going to show you how to properly install LED headlights and the H4 wiring harness for your old Toyota. Stay tuned. So today I'm installing these Truckmall headlights from Amazon on my 1994 Toyota pickup. If you notice, I already have some aftermarket LED headlights, but one is stuck on high beam and the other one on low beam. So these kind of failures happen when you don't install an H4 wiring harness with your LED headlights. Some vehicles can be plug and play with these headlights, but with Toyota you need to use the H4 kit, and it's not hard at all. I promise I'm going to do it for the first time in this episode. Truckmall did send me these lights for free, and I took the opportunity to replace my broken ones. I did buy the H4 kit myself, and I'll leave a link to the headlights and the H4 kit in the description below. Now let's get started here. First, I'm going to remove the plastic grill. The grill has these small little tabs that you can press with a flathead screwdriver. On the sides, the corner lights have 2 screws each. It's pretty simple. Now that we've removed the grill, let's remove the headlights. And before I forget, just as a safety, go ahead and disconnect your battery. For easier access to the passenger light, you can take the battery out. Okay, each housing has a frame around it with 4 screws, so remove those and the headlight will pop out. As you can tell on my passenger headlight, I've messed with the wiring in the past, and this is going to cause me a headache because I don't know what wire is what, but don't worry, your vehicle still has the stock connectors. You'll be totally fine, and don't worry, I'll figure it out. Now it's time to install the H4 wiring harness. It might look a little bit intimidating, but it's not, guys, and I'm going to walk you through it. So you got your relays. You can mount them anywhere near the battery. So then after that, you got your red wire, which is your positive. That goes on the positive terminal of your battery. There's a fuse there going along that red wire. And then you got your negative that obviously goes on the negative terminal of your battery. Pretty simple, and there's instructions that it comes with. It's really simple, guys. I was able to figure this out on the spot, no issues. Not hard at all. It looks a little intimidating, but not too bad. So these wires will go to the passenger side headlight, and then you follow the loom. You could run it around there. I zip tied it along there, and then I passed it under the coolant reservoir. I had to undo that bolt, and then I undid that bolt so I can get it in through the driver headlight, which the airbox on this pickup runs through there, so it's kind of in the way. But I just undid that bolt. There's a wire that connects to the headlight, and then you got another ground. Make sure you properly ground it to the body. Make sure it's clean and safe so you can get a proper ground to the headlights. So as you can tell, there you got your passenger connected in. And then you got your driver side plugged in. And let's follow the loom there, and it's pretty simple, guys. There goes your negative on the negative side of the battery, and then your positive on the positive side of the battery. Last thing to connect is the wiring connection from the truck to the male connector of the H4. Again, mine looks like wires, but yours would look like a female connector. The truck connector is the one that would typically connect to the passenger light. So again, the wire that comes from the truck connects to that black H4 connector, and the headlight connector will go with the orange H4 connector, and that's it. Now let's see if it works. And there you have it, the LED lights work, and now I'm able to use low beam and high beam. Pretty sweet. I really like the design and looks of these LED lights. It gives the pickup a more modern look and obviously better lighting. And the black housing goes perfect with the black grille and black hood. Now let's go out and see how they look at night. I'm not going to compare the old halogen to LED just because I don't have the halogen lights anymore, but you obviously know they don't compare to how bright and sharp the LEDs are. So now I'm going to test the low beams and the high beams. I hope this video helped you out, and thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Toyota content. We have stickers and patches on the link below. Again, thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.